All right, stuffed dill pickle boats. I got a big jar of all these large dill pickles. I'm gonna slice them, I'm gonna gut them, and then we're gonna stuff them with the cream cheese, bacon, garlic filling that we made. Bake them off in the oven, and they'll be good for any barbecue, dessert, anytime you want to impress somebody. Let's do it. All right, what we're gonna do is take our dill pickle, we're gonna slice it in half, and then from there, and I'll bring you in closer. See, I got a spoon and I also got a baller. But I'm gonna take and slice down the edges with it.
Ice cream scoop.
That's a melon ball, or a cookie dough baller.
This works for ice cream too.
It would. And we're gonna save our guts because I got another recipe. Little pieces and stuff you pull out of here. Zero waste is what we're looking for. Come back in with the spoon. See what I'm doing here, baby?
Yeah.
You wanna try it?
Yeah.
All right, get it right, or I'm gonna have to say, what's the dill pickle?
Ew. Why does it like feel like a toad? Ew. Wait, can I do that actually? I want to chop. I thought you said this was sharp.
It is. You gotta slice with it, honey.
Oh.
Let me show you here. Let me show you. As you hold it, reach up and over, slice forward and slice back. It's not a smashing cutter, it's a slicing cutter.
Well, I'm gonna go like chop, chop, chop.
Well, this is a slice, slice, slice kind of scenario. All right, right in close so you can see what we're doing here. I'm gonna come in with the edge of the spoon and just cutting around. I'm sure there's a better way to do it. This is just the way I do it. What's my hand there?
I know. Can I scoop it?
And I'm just scooping the guts right out. You can try it. And all I'm doing is making, I should pour that in there. All I'm doing is making an area for the cream cheese. All right, here we're gonna do the filling. For every 2 blocks of cream cheese, I'm gonna do 6, I fried some bacon crispy. I'm gonna throw 6 of these in and a tablespoon and a half of minced garlic. And the trick to this is I do this up way before I have to actually stuff the peppers or the mushrooms or the pickle or dill pickle boats. I'm gonna make all these out of this same exact recipe. I got a whole bunch of more of this to blend up later. I'm just showing you how to do a smaller batch here. All right, quick hack for storing anything like this. I'll use Ziploc bags, turn them inside out, and then use those to gather everything up. Oh, now I made a mess on this hand, of course. If you're concentrating, it works great. All right, here we are. We're gonna lay out our hollowed out dill pickles and get them filled. Bacon, cream cheese, stuffed pickle boats, dill pickles. Melted a little cheese on the top, sprinkled with dill weed. Been in the refrigerator all night. These will win the barbecue.